Hello, it is Saturday the 25th of November, and in this video I'm going to be looking at the most recent Lotto results and finding the ways in which these numbers were the most outstanding in order to figure out if they were predictable, and if so, then if we know the way to predict them, then we can predict future winning Lotto numbers. Now, this is a chart which summarises the current trend, which is machines Guinevere once a lot and sets of balls 1 to 4. And when we look at where the winning numbers were on this chart, you can see that none of them are most outstanding. Now, number 16, most overdue. However, there are 3 numbers that have not been drawn yet at all since draw 2066, when the number of numbers went up to 59, and none of those 3 came out. Now, number 2 came out, which is one of the most frequent. However, there are 3 other numbers that are as frequent as number 2. Now, looking at this chart, which summarises all the most outstanding pairs, you can see right down there in the bottom, which is the most overdue end on this chart because it's upside down and backwards, is this combination 2 and 45. Now, I was betting that 2 and 45 would come out, and this is my play slip. These are all the lines that I put on. So as you can see, I actually lost 40 quid in the last draw, which was very stupid. So none of them are most outstanding individually. Now let's look at a chart summarising all machines and all sets of balls since the number of numbers went up to 59. And let's see where the winning numbers were. So again, none of them are most outstanding on that chart either, not individually. Now, if we look at the full chart, now this summarises the full draw history, all machines and all sets of balls. This is where the winning numbers were on that chart. None of them are outstanding. Now if we look at numbers paired with each other, numbers paired with number 2, look how outstanding 45 is. See, if that number had come out, I would have won tons of money. But none of them are outstanding on that chart either. If we look at the chart for 16, well, now on the chart for 16 you can see that 27 is the most frequent with 16. So on that chart, one of the numbers is most outstanding. On the chart for 17, that's what that looks like. None of them are outstanding. Chart for 27. So basically, none of them are outstanding, except for 16 and 27. Now the machine that was used in the last draw was Lancelot. So if we look at a chart for Lancelot, and if we look at recent history, 16 is the most frequent with Lancelot. So we have a reason to pick 16. Because 27 is most frequent with 16, then we've got a reason to pick 27 as well. But that's only if we're looking at a chart just for Lancelot. And the set of balls that was used was a set of balls 3. So if we look at a chart for set of balls 3, full draw history. Again, none of them outstanding. So in conclusion, quite unpredictable. So anyway, if we look at a chart for the occurrences of number 2, now because it came out in the last draw, that means that the gap between occurrences would be 1 if it was drawn again. And the last time that the gap between occurrences was 1, in other words, it's been drawn twice in a row, 33 times basically. And the last time it happened was in draw 2, 2, 4, 6. So it could happen again, and it could be drawn again. See, this is a chart for gaps between occurrences. These are not numbers on this chart. These are gaps between occurrences of number 2. So I'm looking at that to see if I think number 2 is going to come out again anytime soon. Now if it does, then I want to pick 45 with it, because of where that is on there. Because 45 is one of the most overdue, going on the current trend. Now this is my play slip, and I cannot possibly afford to put all these lines on again, so I'm just going to put 2 and 45 on. Maybe these numbers on Lotto. I'm definitely going to put that one on, put that one on, and I think I'll just delete all the rest. So that's what happens when you run out of money and you have to stop playing, because I can't afford to keep putting on all these different combinations. So that concludes this video. Subscribe for the next one. Bye for now.